I'm Alessandra Nakwa, but you can call me Allie, and I'm a technician over at Sarasota Ford. I started working on my car right out of high school. I was about 19 years old. I really liked working on vehicles, so I started at just some small lube and tire shops, and I eventually worked my way up to the dealership world. I really enjoy hands-on work, and I enjoy being challenged. My career goal is to be a senior master technician and to know as much as possible as I can about your vehicle. Ford has a great program. If you work for Ford and you go to the classes, they'll take care of everything. You get to do hands-on learning opportunities with the vehicles. There is also a bonus incentive from Ford. For each class you do, you will get paid, and at the end of the year, it pretty much gets paid out from Ford to the technician. There's a lot of learning involved, so as long as you like learning about vehicles, working on vehicles, it will be the field for you. Outside of work, I enjoy swimming. I'm also a pretty good baker, so I enjoy baking as well. And I try to spend as much time with my family as possible. Obviously, they're very important to me, so it's always great that I have such a good support system as well. Yes, yeah, of course. Yeah, it comes with it, but it's fine. If you're thinking about going into this career, make sure you're up for the challenge and it will reward you.